Okay, so in the last lesson we looked at how to take a piece of geometry and create it into only points. This time I want to look at creating into points but then also returning it back where we can reconnect those points and make polygons from them. So let's first of all start by creating an add node here, and I'm going to delete the geometry but keep the points, so we're back to where we were in the original lesson before. And this time I'm going to add another add node. I want to reconnect these, so I'll go into the Polygon section. I'll click on by group, and they're connected. Brilliant. Let's put the point numbers on as well so I can see what's going on, and I can see that they're in numerical order: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. Right? I want to close this to create a polygon. Whoa, that looks messy. Now, what's happened there? Well, I do actually have one single polygon. And if I look here, I can see it's one primitive, which in this case is a polygon, right? But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to look what happened. So I've got this connection here, but the 9 is actually connecting to 10, when in reality I probably wanted to connect to 19, right? I want to get it back to this original, where I have a bunch of different polygons all connected. In fact, there's 81 of them, right? So let's look at this again and see what we can work out. I'm going to go back here, and this time I'm going to just look at creating one single polygon. That's all. I'm not going to create all the multiple ones right now. Let's just create one. So I'm going to hit my select tool here. I'm going to select all 4 points that I want, and I want to create a polygon right here. And this time I want to turn that off. I'm going to hit enter, and I've reconnected it. Whoa, okay, they're connected. Hit the closed, and it's still not correct. What's happened? Well, when I turn off the close and put it back to a polyline, I can see that I've got from 0, 1, 10, 11. But what do I actually want to do? Well, think about it for a moment. You'll realize that it should be 0, 1, 11, 10. That would make more sense, right? So I'm going around in like a clockwise direction. So I've got 2 options here. First option is this: I simply change it numerically in the group parameter. So I've got the 0, 1, but then I don't want 10. In fact, I want to go to 11 and then to 10. Hit enter. Whoa, that looks better. Hit the closed. There we go. Change it from a polyline to a polygon, and I've got the polygon that I wanted. That's great. What about option 2? Okay, option 2 is maybe simpler for some. It depends how you want to do it. It's up to you. I'm going to delete this section, so I'm back to this mess that we had before, of course. And this time I'm going to go to my select tool. Select, thank you. And I'm going to just select them individually. So 1, I'm holding down the shift key, and when I hold down the shift key, I should see a little add, little add mark added to the cursor. So no shift, you can see it. So then I'm going to select 1, I'm going to select 11, I'm going to select 10, I'm going to hit the return key, and it does it that way too. And you can see here that's exactly what it's done. 0, 1, 11, 10. Hit the close, and I get the same thing. So I hope that was useful. If you have any comments, questions, or criticisms, please let me know in the comments below. And you guys have a great day. All right, bye bye.